we got kind of rained out on Easter Sunday there, but we still managed to get the other half of the walls up. I still got a little top plating to do and a few other little things to do. And then Monday I had an appointment I had to go to. But yeah, so today is Tuesday, the 5th day on this job. And I think what's going to happen today, there's a couple little stub walls that have to come out. That oak beam has to go in, and then there's another beam that has to come across. So we're going to get that going, along with a couple studs that have to be filled in. And a little bit more blocking here and there. But the majority of it got put in when it was on the ground, so now that blocking is only for wind shear on the top edge of the T111. But anyhow, I will get to work and let you guys enjoy. Let's see, the audience wants to know if you got that square. Ooh, not too bad.
Not too shabby.
Now this oak beam is special to Eric, as it was cut to clear a space for the garage. And as I said in an earlier video, the sister beam, although thinner than this, went into the cabin as collar ties for the rafters. And with luck, the live edge 3x12s will become floating shelves next to the cook stove. This beam is for a trolley. It's not structural, as the LVLs in the following clips are.
These are only 14 inches.
Yeah, they're not the 16s.
Yeah.
Well, if any luck, this is wide enough.
That'd be nice.
Of course, now I got that header nailed up on the other side so well. Well, sometimes I have to play around in the editing program. By the way, these straps are engineered to be used in place of top plate due to the 16-inch LBLs. The half-inch OSB on top of the header is just to build up to the height of the actual top plate. Eric's sticking 20-penny nails under the sill to aid in holding the sheet of T111 up. Otherwise it gets quite heavy after half a day of hanging sheets. We snap a line from corner to corner at 8 foot 1/8 inch to allow for any variance in the block. It keeps our top of the T111 perfectly straight and even for the second course. Well, the end of day 5, and we got the beam up. Of course, we cheated with that. We used the tractor. And we got the headers up. And we got a whole lot of T111 going on. At least on the first course of the T111s all on this one portion of the garage. So what do you think, Eric?
I think it looks great. Coming along really nice.
Not too bad for a
Couple
bunch of families and
family members, old timers.
no, going together nice. Anyhow, that's it for the day. Well, it's day 6, and Jim and Jeremy from VanGuilder Construction came over to lend a hand on getting this thing truss sheeted and dried in. And I have to tell you, I'm thankful they did, as the truss company couldn't get the trusses into the lot, which meant a lot of footwork up that hill and onto the slab. And with the guys handing them up, and Jim and I on scaffolding, we get the majority of the trusses up and lateral bracing in. The one drawback of these trusses were they had a 1/2 inch setback on each side, as some contractors measure a building's width and length from the outside of the sheathing versus the outside of the framing. More on that in the next video. We cut these temporary braces at 25.5 inches to maintain our 24-inch centers. They get a single nail on each side and span outside to outside on the truss. And we double up the last one to carry the ridge board across to make our valleys. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed and see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.